Hello, this is Mike. I'm professional with ice machine. Here we are testing 4 style of a 10 ton per day capacity flake ice machines. This is machine number 1, machine number 2, machine number 3, machine number 4 behind her. Machine number 3 is in function now. These 4 machines are the same capacity, 10 ton of ice flakes within every 24 hours. The same compressor, like this with the piston compressor, the same condenser, water cooling condenser. So what is the reason why you should choose my flake ice machines? Better quality ice and a more power saving machine. My machines can make very well frozen ice flakes more than 2.5 millimeters, and that is one big reason why you should choose my machine. Because my machine allow you to make much better quality ice than your competitors, to make you become the winner in the ice market. And my machines are very power saving. I'm going to show the quality of ice flakes made by my machine with the videos, and we are also going to check the running current of each machine. Let's check the quality of ice flakes made by the machine. This is more than 2.5 millimeters. Very well frozen ice flakes. Top quality. Yeah. Okay, here are some new made ice. Yeah, 2.5. Yeah. Yes. Okay, all the ice are more than 2.5 millimeters. That is much better quality ice than your competitors. Imagine you are selling this kind of a better quality ice than your competitors. You can beat them very well. You can easily beat them. Better quality ice and a more power saving machine, that is the key to win in the ice market. Wow, it's very well frozen. Okay, so this is all I want to show about the quality of ice flakes made by my 10 ton per day capacity flake ice machines. Again, what I want to say is that better quality ice and a more power saving machine, that is the key to win in the ice market. And that is the reason why you should choose my flake ice machines.